Hello kids. Today let's practice answering some simple questions in English. Are you ready? Let's begin. What is your name?
My name is Sophia.
How old are you?
I am 4 years old.
Which class are you in?
I am in nursery.
What is the name of your school?
My school's name is Sunshine Kids Academy.
Who is your class teacher?
My class teacher is Miss Priya.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Isha.
Which country do you live in?
I live in India.
Who is the principal of your school?
The principal of my school is Mr. Sharma.
Where do you live?
I live in Delhi.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Raj Kumar.
What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Neha Verma.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher.
What is your family's contact number for any emergency?
My family's contact number is...
Great job! You have learned how to answer simple questions in English. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel.